Starting with the hands at the heart center, inhale, sweep the arms high. Exhale, forward fold all the way down. Inhale, find your flat back, palms to shins. Exhale, hands flat as you step back to a high plank position. Lower down, knees, chin, chest, up to a low cobra. Exhale, bending the knees, come back through to downward facing dog. Feel free to lift the heels here, lifting the tailbone high. Relax the face, relax the shoulders. Breathing here. Hands and feet are strong. On your last breath, exhale, soften the knees, step to the top of the mat. Inhale, find your flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, sweep the arms high, see the sky. Exhale, hands to heart, Samastiti.